In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make miniature Barbie shoes. Before I get started, I want to show you a pair of glasses that was sent to me from Firmoo.com, which is a website that sells eyeglasses and sunglasses. This is the second pair of glasses I've received from Firmoo, and these ones have a special blue blocking light feature which reduces glare so it's easier to look at a computer or phone for a longer period of time. I picked this pair because I really liked the cute design and I liked the contrast of colours with the dark red outer frame and the light pink inner frame. If you're interested in buying a pair for yourself, I've left a link to their website and a promo code in the description box. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also, click the notification bell so you never miss a video.